Come on, buddy. Out for a Sunday drive. I'm out for a Sunday rip. Rip means fast. Go, 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 go. Look at all that ice. All that wind has blown in the ice from the lake. Although it didn't freeze over this year. Why is he braking? God, are you kidding me? It's just a little hill. Yeah, baby. Yeah. It's a tight sandy corner. Watch for the policeymans. Policeymans. I actually hope it rains for a couple of days. A couple of good heavy rains. Clean the shit off the roads. We're trying to make it to work by 3 so I can take a break with my buddy. He's not getting many hours. He's getting like 1 day a week. And that sucks for him because he's got 2 little kids. His wife's working 2 jobs. So it's not good. That lady did not even see that truck. Howdy. 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 How you doing? How you doing? Hey, how you doing? Crap, I'm tired. But I ain't getting off my bike yet. No way. Oh, excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Parlez-vous français? miles there. I knew down. I knew down, damn it. Holy hairy balls, it's windy. Woo! Well, you can go out. You got another lane there, buddy. Thanks for being cautious, though. How you doing? How you doing?